This is a general reading for the sign of Aries. If you have Aries anywhere in your birth chart, this is your reading. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Aries. Also, Aries, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Always practice good discretion when seeking outside advice, when seeking information. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Aries. Also, Aries, I would like to thank you for your likes. They really do help grow the channel and get the word out there. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Aries. Aries, let's talk about that waxing crescent moon. This month, the waxing crescent moon will be moving through Sagittarius. As that moon moves through the sign of Sagittarius, we can think of the archer. And when we think of the archer, we think that the archer always needs to have a bullseye, always needs to have something to aim at in order for the archer to take the shot. As that moon moves through Sagittarius, you may find yourself looking for or seeking to have a goal or a mission. Something that will give our life purpose, something that will give our lives meaning. This week, we will have the extra boost of hope for our future that we need in order to take the time to take that next step in our life's purpose, on our soul's mission. Spirit is really here to help guide us on our life's path. And look, we have this beautiful Four of Cups as the the foundation of this reading. And if we look closer at the Four of Cups, we can see that Spirit, that source, that the universe is bringing in a gift to this person. But this person is not looking at or is showing no interest in that gift. The person is more interested on the cups that are already there, the 3 cups that are already there on the ground. And so is there something that you are not seeing, or maybe something that you are not wanting to receive? Let's see how that Four of Cups plays out into the rest of your reading. And in your professional life, in your public life, we have the King of Swords, which is, look at these 3 very powerful cards here. The King of Swords, the Emperor, the King of Wands. And the King of Wands and the Emperor, it's almost like there's a lack of power, a lack of control over what is being said, what is being done, over decisions that directly affect you. But it's like you have no say in the matter. You have no input. It's like other people are making decisions for you. And they're making decisions for you that you would not make for yourself. You would be choosing different options. You would be making different decisions. But they seem to have your back against the wall. And this is really has you on edge, really has you stressed out and really restless and sleepless nights because of all of this, or because of the lack of control. There's nothing that you can think of, nothing that you can manage. You're just on edge, and one wrong word, one wrong move from anyone that is around you can set you off. You are just really wound tight, and those that are around you, or those that come in contact with you, can feel the tension, can feel the pressure that is just, that you're admitting, that low vibrating energy that is being caused by the lack of power, the lack of control about the decisions that are being made for you. And I think that it's that energy is affecting everyone. And because it is affecting everyone, it's affecting people that you normally would not like to. So it's affecting people that are really not involved. It's affecting people that really don't have anything to do with it, and it's making it difficult for people who would like to work with you, who would like to connect with you, who really would like to help. You're so on edge, and it's really blocking out any help or any relief that you may be receiving. You know, Aries, spending quiet time with those you love can really help bring things back into perspective in your public life. And so while we are at work, while we are in our business, while we are having negotiations, while there may not be a lot that we can say are due to find relief, we can find that relief in our own quiet time, in our own downtime. And in our own quiet time, in our own time, when we spend that with people that we love and care about, and when we spend that time with people that we can trust, that we have or can build trusting relationships with, that will carry over into our professional life. That will carry over into our work, our career, is knowing that we do have that support. We do have that solid foundation at home in our personal lives. And so, you know, it could be family, it could be friends, it could be a social group where we really spend good quality time decompressing and letting go of the stress that is created in our public life. And I think that that is the gift that universe is trying to bring in for you, trying to create for you, that you're not seeing because you're so focused on what is happening in your career, what is happening in your professional life. It could be school, but something in your public life really has you feeling powerless, really has you feeling lack of control. And we can get that from our private life and not necessarily from our public life. They're asking, yes, back, there we go. And so, Aries, I do believe that there are co-workers, or there are people in charge, there are higher ups, there are other people in your professional community, in your work community, that are there to help. They do want to help. They do want to support you. They do want to aid you. But I think at this point, there's a certain amount of verbalization that needs to come from you. And asking those co-workers, or yes, asking for help and calmly talking about alternatives will help alleviate the frustrations that you may be experiencing at this time. But it's going to require you reaching out and you initiating the conversation openly and calmly. I think the calmly is ideal here. In your private life, in your home life, I really do see that you've been letting work affect your home life as well. And here we have this beautiful Two of Pentacles. And that Two of Pentacles really is about finding balance. And coming to a place where we can balance those feelings, those emotions, those stressors that are occurring in work or in our public life. Planning a get-together, or really just a quiet night in or out with those that you appreciate and with those that you care about. And really not discussing things that are happening in your professional life, things that are happening in your career. Just taking a step back from that, just taking a step back from that. And really just enjoying and appreciating those that you really truly care about. I think that the eclipse last week has you really shifting and really moving in a different direction. you have a newfound clarity that has you really leaving behind what is no longer serving you. Hopefully you did take advantage of that lunar eclipse and set your intentions. It is never too late to set intentions. Never too late. And really, those intentions, they are not written in stone. Those intentions, those affirmation statements are really meant to be looked at and adjusted and tweaked according to our needs, according to our wants.